you guys to know about the inventor of an airplane, which is the Wright brother. But you guys probably already know what an airplane is, right? Kalian udah pernah tahu kan pesawat itu apa? An airplane is an air vehicle that could float on the air. But the airplane that we see is actually a modern airplane that already suffered a technological modification processes and designed that a lot more better. But I wonder, how the first airplane look like when it was first made? Coba teman-teman penasaran nggak sih pesawat pertama itu bentukannya kayak gimana sih?
Yalah, percaya.
Nah, untung aja aku punya mesin waktu. Nah, kita bisa menggunakan mesin waktu kita, teman-teman. Ya, mesin waktu apa hilang? Oh iya, mesin waktu aku tadi ke spoiler nonton Eskul Pencari Hantu. Kayaknya dia takut deh. Nah, karena itu aku perlu teman-teman buat teriak sekencang mungkin untuk tentang mesin waktu. Terangkan waktunya ya. Ngomong sekeras mungkin ya nanti ya. Setuju? Udah siap? 1, 2, 3. Mesin waktu, putarkan waktunya. So this is the first airplane look like when it was first made. The first airplane is actually more simple than our airplane now, based on their design, technological, modification, and process. But I wonder, how did Wright brother get an idea to make an airplane? But it actually started when they got their first toy, which is the helicopter wooden toy. A helicopter wooden toy that could fly on the air. They were curious how an object that are heavier than air could fly on it. That experiment stuck on their head after they grew up, and then they like, I didn't want to make an airplane. I want to make something similar, something that could fly in the air. But did you know that the sea spark to make an airplane is actually based when they have a bicycle shop? When they have a bicycle shop, they realized that technological modification process of bicycle could be applied on the airplane, and they start to make an airplane.
Iya.
They start to make an airplane,
Terlalu ke atas.
design, and more, and there's so many fields, so many works, so many
Iya, potong terlalu ke atas.
And then until the first airplane is actually
Bawahin dikit.
the first airplane is actually possible to fly in 17 December 1903. That airplane could fly only for 59 seconds. But even though it's only 59 seconds, they're so happy over the moon that they'll tell everybody. And then there's other version of the flyer. That first photo is actually a flyer A. And then they make other variation with flyer B and flyer F. The first variation is flyer B. When they make the first airplane company, Wright Company. And then they upgrade until it's flyer F, and then upgrade until our modern airplane now that already has a lot of company. Nah, sekarang waktunya penjelasan pakai bahasa Indonesia. Seberapa persen kalian paham sama materi aku? Alicia, kamu paham 100? Apa aja yang kamu paham, Alicia?
Pesawat yang pertama hanya terbang pesawat pertama hanya terbang 1 bulan.
Tuh, apa? Ada tepuk tangan dulu dong buat Alicia. Ya, jadi pesawat pertama itu awalnya dibuat pada 1903. Nah, awal mereka bisa membuat pesawat itu gara-gara mereka tuh dapat mainan helikopter kayu, tapi itu bisa terbang di angkasa. Nah, dia bingung tuh, kok bisa benda yang lebih berat dari angin itu bisa terbang. Nah, gara-gara itu eksperimennya kan jadi nyangkut ya di kepalanya. Nah, sampai mereka dewasa. Pas mereka dewasa pun akhirnya aku mau bikin sesuatu yang mirip ya.
Nggak jadi.
Lalu akhirnya mereka tuh mulai eksperimen. Awalnya tuh, tau gak sih kalau pesawat pertama itu ternyata dari sepeda. Desain dan base-nya itu teknologinya dari sepeda. Nah, jadi mereka coba nge-apply, nerapin base dari sepeda itu ke pesawat. Lalu akhirnya banyaknya percobaan, banyaknya gagal, sampai akhirnya berhasil diterbangkan pada 17 Desember 1903. Ya. Aku ada rekayasanya nih teman-teman. Ini bukan pas waktunya sih. Jadi ada masa pas mereka menerbangin pesawatnya.
Recall the first flight of this primitive biplane making aviation history.
Ini bukan yang asli, ini pas rekayasa pada 1907.
Then made their dream of flight become a reality.
Nah, itu aja yang bisa saya sampaikan. That's all for today. Thank you for